everyone, Kim here for Tres Jolie Kit Club, and what I've got for you this month is our August kit releases. If you don't know, Tres Jolie has 3 monthly kits. We have a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. Plus we do our own laser cut chipboard. So if you want to see what's in our kits and see what chipboard is new this month, let's go ahead and jump into the video. And before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video so that way our videos will show up in your algorithm and you can see whatever we create with each month's kit. So let's go. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That does include your shipping. And what we've got this month, let's start off with some of the fun stuff, the new chipboard pieces. So we've got these flower jars. They are flowers inside a little mason jar, and you're going to get 2 per set, and you're going to get your little cutout on the inside there too. So if you want to use that, it's super cute. But that is in our kit, and it will be available on the website at www.tresjoliekits, along with all the kits that you see here. The kits will be limited, so best thing is for you to go ahead and subscribe. We've also got these home sweet homes. How adorable. And next up, we've got like some burned fences. We've got 2 of those too. So you're getting 2 in each of these, but these are in the kit for right now. But like I said, they are on the website. Let's get into what else is in the kit. You're going to get a yard of this pretty lace. You're also going to get this pack of flowers. There's 10 in the pack. You're going to get these resin embellishments from Melissa Francis, and just be careful, they like to come off, so I've got one in my bag. I don't want you to lose yours or it fall out and break, because these will break. They are a hard resin, but you're going to get all 4 of these. And then you're going to get a set of the cut parts that match the paper. It's just like ephemera, but it just needs to be cut out. And you're going to get 6 sheets of these. They are single-sided. I'm going to use my silhouette to cut these out because I don't like fussy cutting, but if you like fussy cutting, have at it. These are all for you. A lot of these have some clean straight lines or round lines, so they shouldn't be too hard to cut out, but there are a few that have a little bit more intricate detail to them, like this flower cluster here. But this is part of their Heart and Home collection, and this is from Paper Roses. They're an Australian company, and I love their designs so much. This is super cute. All right, let's get into the paper. First of all, you're going to get 12 sheets. There's 6 designs, so you're going to get 2 of each. And on your cover sheet, don't toss that, because you're going to have all these sentiments that you can use. Next up, let's get into the papers here. So I think these are absolutely wonderful. A nice start to your fall. And they are very neutral, so you can do masculine layouts, you can do some feminine layouts. I think you can even get in some baby layouts with the teddy bears and hearts on here, or like the hearts and the cupcakes. But I like the fact that if you don't want to use this side, same with this. You've got this nice wood grain here, and on the back side you've got the teddy bears. So if you don't want to use the teddy bears, you still have this side. Like I said, same here. You've got cupcakes and hearts here, but back here you've got a nice little print that you can use. And here we've got some more wood grain to give your layout some texture. And on the back we've got some cutesy hearts and bows. Again, wonderful for baby layouts if you want to do that. Here we've got some home stuff. We got some baskets and flowers and things like that. But on the back, again, you've got this nice neutral pattern. And the colors, I just love the colors. This side, you've got this nice pattern, and then on the back, you've got something here too. So these papers are very versatile for whatever it is that you're scrapping. And again, this kit retails for $52, and it can be found on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. This has been our scrapbook kit for August. Next up, we're going to bring you our cards, tags, and more kit. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with that. Right, so next up we have our cards, tags, and more kit. What is that, you say? Well, let me tell you what it is. It is our small project kit. You can get stuff for cards, you can get stuff for like super embellished tags, ATC cards, mini albums, folios, you name it. This month, we've got a mix of stuff in here. Let's start off again with the new chipboard. We've got a new set of dragonflies. We do have one set that's layered, but these are not layered, but they are engraved. So you're going to get 2 of those. And you're going to get these heart wings. And this cards, tag, and more kit does retail for $42. Let's get into the lace. You're going to get this really pretty piece of blue lace, and you're going to get a yard of this. And then you're going to get these lace appliques that are in there, that are going to be in your kit. They're going to be fun to use on a card. So you're going to get a few of those. So you're going to get this pack of Prima flowers. These are multicolored. So you're going to get those. And then you're going to get this pack of butterflies. There's 32 pieces in here. And these are great for card toppers. You're going to get all different sizes. And again, the whole pack. Next up, you're going to get 5 A2 card blanks in white with the envelopes. And then you're going to get a set of 10 of these mixed media stickers. They are uncut, but they are transparent. So if you are like me and you just don't like to fussy cut, or you don't like fussy, intricate stuff to fussy cut out, you can cut around these, and because they're transparent, nobody's going to see how messy it is. I'm going to try and run these through my Cameo as well. But you're going to get 10 sheets of these. So you're going to get some images. But then you're going to get all these sheets of words. And then you're going to get The Sound of Spring. This is by Ciao Bella, and it's their mixed media book. And what you're going to get are 50 double-sided pages. There's going to be 14 ephemera pages and 36 pattern pages that you just kind of cut out. And then you've got ephemera on your cover as well. But let's go through some of these papers. How gorgeous are these papers? Just super fun. I cannot wait to use these. See if I can do it this way so you can get a better look at the papers here. But just look how super pretty these pages are, and the colors. I'm just so excited about these. Let's get to some of the ephemera in here. Let's see. Oh, we're still going through all our papers. There we go. Here, we've hit some of the ephemera pages. I'll move these up a little closer so you can see. And some of the ephemera pages just have regular paper on the back. But look at how cute is she. I can't wait to cut that out. And yes, again, I will be using my silhouette to cut these out. But look at these beautiful ephemera pages. Imagine the cards and the tags that you're going to be able to make with this, or even a folio. This would be great to make a folio as well too, but it's all up to you, and that's why we call this kit the Cards, Tags, and More Kit. And again, it can be found on our website at www.tresjoliekit.com. And this kit does retail for $42. Like I said, it does include your shipping. But while you're over there, instead of worrying about whether or not you're going to get a kit because these are all limited, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? We just got back from Craft Utopia, and boy, do we have a lot of fun stuff coming in for kids. All the new stuff that you guys haven't even seen yet, we were able to see and order for kids. And speaking of subscribing, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on this video so you're notified every time we upload a video. And you'll see all these kits in action. Next up, we have our mixed media kit. Okay, so here is our mixed media kit. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it is all about building your mediums. Plus, it comes with a little project, so it is a standalone kit on its own. It is $47. And again, it's on the website, www.tresjoliekits.com. You should head over there and take a look at our subscriptions as well. You can subscribe to one kit all 3 kits or any combination of kits. But this is meant to stand alone. You get a little project inside so that you can start playing with this immediately. So we've got a bunch of modeling clay this month, and we're going to be using some modeling clay and texture makers, not actually mold, but we've got black, we've got a blue, and we've got a yellow. So that's going to be the modeling clay, and it's the super lightweight. As you can see, I can squish it through here, and I want to play with this because I want to try and mix the colors to see what I can come up with too as well. Also, you're going to get these texture makers. These are different from your regular molds that you would use your clay in. So instead of your clay going into this, it's textured. It's almost like an embossing folder where you can press these into your clay and get the design. So these will be fun for backgrounds, and you get 2 of these. One, you've got some swirls, little simple swirls, and then on this one you've got some fancy scrolls. Let me see, make it a little easier for you to see the design. You see the design on that one, and then the design on that one. And then you're going to get 2 of the little mini canvases so you can go in and create you some fun textured backgrounds. And you're also going to get some light and fluffy stencil butter. This you can use in your texture as well, because this is light and fluffy. You can also stamp into that with your flexible texture sheets. So this is our mixed media kit, and again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. That way you'll see us using this kit, and you can follow us along if you want to recreate any of the projects that we create with this kit. But this has been Kim for Tres Jolie Kit Club. Again, this kit retails for $47. So thanks for stopping by. This has been our August kit reveals. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.